We're Adam and Joanne from InspiredTaste.net, and welcome to our kitchen.
It's no secret that we're buffalo chicken fans. We've added it to pizza, dips, stuffed shells, baked wings, and even rice bowls. This easy 3-ingredient buffalo wing sauce is one of the quickest recipes on our blog. We're making a big batch today since this keeps in the fridge for at least a month.
Start by gently melting butter in a pan over medium heat. Just swirl it around the pan a few times to help it melt. Take it off the heat, then whisk in some garlic powder. And your favorite hot sauce. This is Frank's hot sauce. Whisk until blended. It may take about 20 seconds or so. Told you it was easy. Now use on anything and everything you want, or store in a mason jar in the fridge. Remember, it keeps for about a month.
When you want to use it, scoop some out, then gently warm on the stove or microwave. You'll only need a few seconds. When it's warm, drizzle or toss with whatever you want. Wings, salads, veggies, and even eggs are all a great idea.
Thanks for watching. If you love this video, we have lots more. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and say hi on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. We're at Inspired Taste.